What are you doing over here? Hey, don't turn around on me. Don't you turn around on me. What are you doing? Hey. Hey. Whoa, she's kicking. Oh, the dogs are going to attack her. Get her, dogs. Oh, not me. Not me. Hey, baby. What are you doing? Huh? Okay, so get off me, man. Attack. Baby. What are you doing over there? Turn around. Turn to daddy. Turn around. Don't just be swinging. You need to jump. Ow, dogs, get off me. Hey, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. There you go. Come on. Make some music. Queso, what are you doing? Go lick the baby. Go lick her, Queso. Get her, Queso. Get her, Queso. Baby girl, you're kicking your pad out of the way again. Oh. Hop around. Look at the little fat legs sticking out. The little Michelin woman. Get her, Queso. Get her. Okay, you get her, Austin. What's that crazy baby doing hopping around over there? Uh-oh. She's kicking the mat out. Austin, go push it back for me, okay? Uh-oh, there it goes. It's gone. It's officially gone. And she's bouncing. But you're not bouncing on the mat. Here. Here, take it back. Lift your legs. Oh. Uh-oh. Quit spazzing out. What are you doing? Oh, Austin, get off me. Oh. There you go. Good girl. Austin, quit whipping me with your tail. Oh, Austin. Oh, God, get off me. Oh. Little girl, turn around. Alyssa. Alyssa. Turn to daddy. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. What are you doing? Hey, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Ow, Queso. Ram me. Get her, Queso. Get her. Get her, boy. Oh. Dogs. Oh, yep. You tired of jumping over there? You just watching these crazy old dogs wrestling? You sure are camera shy. You camera shy, aren't you? Whoa, what was that? Whoa. Now you're making music. Austin, get her. Go get her, Queso. Just bouncer. Whoa. One-legged. Oh, I can't touch with my other leg. It's too fat and short. Yeah, there you go. Woohoo! Austin, she's crazy, huh? You crazy. She's crazy. You looking at that doggy? Huh? Who are you talking to? Oh, you talking to me? You talking to me? Some big old legs, man. Dang, girl. I'm gonna have to get you on Slim Fast. There you go. You can just exercise it off. Good girl. Get her, Austin. Lick her. Lick her. Lick that baby. Lick that. Oh, what you doing? Okay, so what are you doing, you sweet boy? Huh? You laying on daddy's leg? What are you doing? That baby over there, she didn't know what she's doing. She's just weeble wobbling all over the place. Baby, why are you looking in the laundry room? There's nothing in there. Huh? Hey! Hey! Ow! Don't whip me with your tail. Mean dog. Oh, you kicked your pad out again. Can't make noise. Can't make music when it's way out there. Hang on. Yo. Yep. Woo! Get her, Austin. Hey, little baby. What are you doing down there? Hey, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Yeah, you. Oh, what was that? Woohoo! Woohoo! You falling over? Alright, well, I'm gonna do some dishes. You just hang loose, alright? Don't go anywhere. You need to turn around, though. Turn around. Come on. Ow. Okay, so I'm gonna trip over you. Dogs everywhere. Oh, funny little girl. You kicked your mat out of the way again. We're gonna have to glue that thing to the floor.